Hello and welcome to Sounds English with me, Betty. Today's English word is funeral. 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 A funeral is a ceremony or religious service that is held after the death of a person. It is where family and friends gather together to pay respects. They often wear formal clothes in black. At the funeral, the person who has died is either buried or cremated, and their loved ones gather together to show their love and respect for that person. Please note the pronunciation is unusual. It has 3 syllables, funeral. So I'll break that down for you. The first sound is few, few, few. The second sound is ne, ne, funer, funer. And the last sound is ral, ral. So all together, slowly, it is funeral, 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 funeral. Try it yourself 3 times. Excellent. Funeral. So used in context, for example, you may say, "I'm very sorry to hear about your mother dying," or politely, "your mother passing away. When is the funeral? I would like to send some flowers." Or alternatively, "I cannot come to work tomorrow. I am attending my father's funeral." And topically for this week, the nation is in mourning. The Queen's funeral is on Monday. Thank you very much for listening. I hope this was clear and it made sense. Please join me every day for another high frequency and topical English word, phrase or expression. Thank you. Bye-bye.